What's up, guys? I'm here in downtown St. Petersburg, where there's an airport. But soon, this airport is going to become part of a racetrack. And there's gonna be a vlog for that. I'll be back down here for the St. Pete Grand Prix. But today, why don't we trace the track and see where it's going to go? I think that would be fun. They actually use the airstrip as the main straight. And this right here, this is pit exit. And it comes out that way. But turn one is down there, it's a hairpin. You can see right by that 25-7 sign, there's some curbing. That's turn one. And then right over here is turn two. You could actually see the red and white apex curbing here for turn two. So the cars come around that hairpin down there. Here comes a plane. So the cars come around that apex there, come across turn two, and down the street. So from here, the cars are gonna come around here to First Street. And this is gonna be a long straight. So the cars come down First Street. This is like your first straightaway. And they actually come right in through here. Here's apex curbing to turn four, and they actually come right into this parking lot, which as an autocrosser is pretty cool. I wonder if they fill in this or if they leave that. That looks like it would break a lot of shit, but it also looks like it's been clobbered. So I don't know, maybe all these guys are having a bad day. So there's your turn four, comes through here, it goes right in through this parking lot. Between these two trees here, it goes this way. And we'll actually pick up turn five once we get past these cars. It's a lot of noise today. So we're coming through this parking lot, just like big autocross. There we go, there's turn five. Here is turn five. You can see it's due for a repaint, but this is your apex curb for turn five. And you can see this section that's freshly paved. This is the race surface. And they come right through this parking lot. So IndyCar basically becomes autocross for just a quick chicane here, and then it goes out that way. A lot of people hate on autocross, but if parking lots are good enough for IndyCar, they're good enough for me. Come through turn five right there, and they're gonna zip this way and go down this road here. We're gonna follow this road, and we'll do this on foot because it's a quick little, so they come through here. All of these blocks, I guess, have to move. You could see some red lines here, you know, track boundaries and stuff on that side too. Tire marks from Grand Prix Pass. And then it goes down this side road up here. So you got a little chicane here, and it goes up this way. Let's check it out. So you can still kind of see where they put the blocks. You know, they put big like Jersey barriers here. And you can kind of still see they must put them there and then paint them. But you still got tire marks here down this road. And this is a quick little section here because they're going to make a right onto Central. And you can still see, it's crazy, like a year later, how you can still see tire marks. So we're at the corner of Central and Beach, and this is turn 8. You can see all the tire marks here. Coming through turn 8. They're coming through, and they're gonna go down this road here towards the water. Turn 9. So they come down this little side road here, and they sweep through onto Bayshore Drive from Central. And as they come through turn 9, they go down the back straight, which isn't really a straight, it's got kind of a kink in it. So this is Bayshore Drive. This is kind of the back straight, if you could call it a straight. It's curved. You know, it curves around the bay here. And you can see this is where they get all of their speed. You go through that little kink there, and then we're gonna come up to a little left-hander right up here. You could actually see the curbing. So this is the apex for turn 10. They're gonna come off of Bayshore Drive, come right through here, over the apex, and then down this pier. Now they're gonna go down here, all the way to the end, back down where those tractors are. They're actually setting up the grandstands, as you can see right here, all the way down. This is the start finish straight and the pit lane. So those are very popular grandstands there. So that's where we came from. Come through here, little chicane, and this is where we're going. It's a restricted area, but we can find some more apex curbing as we go. These are all crews getting the grandstands and the whole setup going. Bump it! Turn the valve on? Always check the easy stuff first. So they come through here. That curb there is considered turn 11. This is turn 12 right here. So after turn 12 here, they go down to the end of the runway and they make a little U-turn. There we go. Here's turn 12. Now they go down to the end of the runway. You can see red, white curbing all the way down there at the end. That's a hairpin, and then they come back down the main runway, and that is your start finish straight, your pit straight, and that's the end of the lap. And we're back around to the start finish straight, and that is a complete lap of the St. Petersburg Grand Prix. I will be here for the race in just a couple of weeks, so make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss that video. If you liked this, check out this video here where I attended the Rolex 24. That's actually why I'm here in Florida now, but I couldn't pass up taking you guys for a tour of the St. Pete Grand Prix. So hit that subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.